Hi, my name is Adriano Lopez Velarde, and I'm the co-founder of Desserto, a cactus-based alternative to leather made here in Mexico. Desserto is a cactus-based material that we have developed to mimic the performance and the aesthetics of leather or synthetic leather, but with the advantages of relying on plants rather than chemicals. So here you can see several examples of the colors and textures that we have developed through these 2 years of presence in the market. And we really work with organic pigments and the chlorophyll of cactus, which of course is green. So it is a challenge to achieve the colors, but it is possible and in a green way. So Desserto is a plant-based alternative to leather and plastics like PVC or polyurethane. And the reason why Desserto is a solution to reduce the carbon footprint of the industry is because we all know that most of the leather tan worldwide involves the use of toxic chemicals like chrome and many other heavy metals. In the plastics world, we also find fossil fuels and chemicals besides making the materials non-biodegradable. So with Desserto, we develop a solution that is made of a cactus, which we of course know that does not require water, no herbicides, no pesticides. It doesn't require any type of chemistry from the ground. And that's very important to pay attention to, because when we do the life cycle assessment, we are not only restoring the properties of soil, but we are also reforesting, absorbing carbon dioxide, making a material that is highly biodegradable. It is clean. It doesn't have any of these toxic chemicals. So you don't have to sacrifice performance and aesthetics for sustainability. Technology has evolved to a point in which we can rely on sustainable alternatives. So the benefits of using cactus to make an alternative to animal leather and synthetic materials is not only that we are able to replace fossil fuels and chemicals with plant-based formulations, but we also work as an incentive in the agricultural sector, in which we offer a pool of work for the farmers, in which they are benefit in a very important way. Just to give you an example, if you go to the supermarket and you want to buy a kilogram of cactus for human consumption, the farmer is only getting about 5 pesos, which is less than half a dollar. And what we pay to the farmers instead is as much as 10 US dollars per kilogram. So the economic benefit for them is large. Since our launch in October 2019, we have grown our network and our customer base. We now export 90% of our production worldwide to more than 100 countries. Some of our most iconic collaborations out there in the fashion industry are with H&M, Karl Lagerfeld, Fossil. We are working towards the automotive industry as well, with very promising and exciting products coming very soon. And so that's where we are at. And our next steps are to establish our branch offices overseas to deliver a better service to everyone around the world.